In this video, I'll show you how to play PUBG on iPhone using mobile data without a VPN and explain when it's not actually possible to fully bypass restrictions. If PUBG Mobile shows an error like server is busy or please try again later while you're on mobile data, here's what to try. First, open Settings. Go to Wi-Fi and Network or Cellular. Then tap Mobile Data Options or Equivalent and select Configure DNS. Unfortunately, unlike Wi-Fi where you can often set a custom DNS manually, for example toggling private DNS or entering a custom server like 185.164.73.148 and 185.164.73.180. On iPhone over mobile data, you're typically restricted from manually changing the DNS server at the system level without using a VPN or a profile. In short, iOS does not always allow custom DNS on cellular data networks in a way that reliably bypasses regional restrictions. In many cases, players have reported that changing DNS only worked on Wi-Fi but failed when on mobile data the system forces the carrier's DNS or a VPN-type profile for data traffic. So if you try the manual method and the game still shows location or region errors, it means your region or carrier is actively blocking access and a VPN may be required. If you're still using mobile data and want the smoothest, fastest experience while playing PUBG on iPhone with minimal restrictions, I recommend using a premium VPN like NordVPN. It offers high-speed servers, worldwide access, and strong security, ideal for mobile gaming when data networks are blocked or throttled. Check the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price.